Unlocking the Torah Text. Bezerat Hashem. Since the Torah's wisdom penetrates the very soul of the learner, a person who occupies himself with God's Torah turns it into his own Torah. King David wrote the following regarding Torah study. The Torah of Hashem is perfect, restoring the soul. Tehillim chapter 19 verse 8. On the other hand, prayer is, in the words of Chazal, service of the heart. Together, Torah and prayer create perfection in the relationship between man and his Creator. Instill understanding in our hearts to understand and elucidate, to listen, learn, teach, safeguard, perform, and fulfill all the words of your Torah's teaching with love. Enlighten our eyes in your Torah. Yaakov wrestled. Vayishlach imo. A man wrestled with him. The word Vayishlach is derived from avak, dust. Bereishit chapter 32 verse 25. It means that Yaakov became enveloped by the dust of the person engaging him in a struggle. Rashi explains that this man was Esav's guardian angel. Esav's angel is different from all the others, for just as Esav epitomizes evil, so too his angel is the prime spiritual force of the evil Hasatan himself. Hasatan's job is to come down to earth to seduce man to sin. Then he goes back to heaven to incite God to prosecute man for his sinfulness. Yaakov symbolizes man's struggle to raise himself and the rest of the world with him. Although Yaakov's life was the most challenging of all the Avot, Yaakov's wrestling with Hasatan all night symbolizes the struggle with materialism and evil that he and his descendants would have from this time forth during the night of exile. As the angel of Esav wrestled with Yaakov, he crippled him, though he could not destroy him. Yaakov's lifelong battle with Esav reflects the struggle in each of our own lives. The Torah is the most crucial for Bnei Yisrael's success in carrying out their mission on earth. Yaakov represents Torah, and without it, Yisrael will fail. Commenting on the angel's inability to overpower Yaakov, Ramban says, God's angels, mighty in power and exact in fulfilling his word. For this reason, the angel was not able to overpower Yaakov, because he was not permitted to do so. Rather, he could only injure him on his thigh. Ramban understands the thigh as a metaphor for descendants. However, Ramban explains that the reference is not to Yaakov's immediate descendants at all, but rather to posterity, to the nation that would emerge far in the future. The injury sustained by Yaakov on his thigh alludes to the torment that would be experienced by the Jewish nation at the hands of Esav and his cohorts. The Jewish nation might suffer, cause shalom, but all will pass, and we will emerge intact. God will remember his people in mercy that they are his people of old, and he will remember that they are his servants, for they stood by him in their exile like servants to suffer the troubles and the bondage. Every one that is called by my name, and whom I have created for my glory. I have formed him, yes, I have made him. Yeshayahu chapter 43 verse 7.